Hello everyone, I am back again with another video that will help you to improve and create a better handwriting. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel Turn to Learn with Rafia. Let's quickly have a look some tips that how to improve bad handwriting. Tip number 1, use 4 lines page. If you really want to improve your handwriting, then you need 4 lines page to practice. Tip number 2, practice basic strokes. The most important point and the most important tip, because formation of each small letter is based on these strokes. So there are 4 different strokes that you can practice to make your writing perfect. Number 1, small stroke with curve. This stroke is used to form letters like A, C, D, G, O, Q. The name of second stroke is small stroke without curve. This stroke is used to form letters like E, I, J, R, S, P, T. Third stroke is small stroke with hook. This stroke is used to form letters like M, N, U, V, W, X, and Y. Fourth stroke and last is long stroke with back hook. This stroke is used to form letters like B, F, L, K, and H. So by practicing these 4 strokes, we can improve our writing from bad to good. Tip number 3 is make connections. When practice of basic strokes have done, then try to make connections of letters to improve overall appearance of your handwriting and make your writing impressive. Tip number 4 is practice, practice, practice. Yes, practice regularly. The more you practice handwriting, the more natural and effortless it will become. Try to set aside some time each day to practice your handwriting. Best of luck! In the next video, I will teach you how to write perfect small letters from A to Z by using these 4 basic strokes. So stay connected. Hit like and subscribe button and press bell icon so that you will never miss any update. See you in my next video. Bye bye.